If you are looking for a laptop that doesn't just compromise, but completely obliterates the line between a portable machine and a top-tier desktop rig, you have found it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we aren't looking at a budget entry. We aren't looking at mid-range. We're looking at a monster. This is the Lenovo Legion Pro high-performance gaming laptop. And when I say high performance, I mean it. We are talking about the Intel Core i9-14900HX, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090, a staggering 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and a massive 4 terabyte SSD. This machine is built for two types of people: hardcore gamers who want 240 Hz smoothness at ultra settings, and creative professionals who need to render 3D scenes while on the go. In this video, we're going to tear down the specs, look at the display, test the gaming performance, and answer the big question: is this beast worth the investment? If you're interested in checking the current pricing, because it does fluctuate, I've left the official Amazon link in the description below. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the chassis. Lenovo has really mastered this aesthetic. It doesn't look like a glowing alien spaceship that you'd be embarrassed to take into a meeting. It's sleek, it's industrial, and it feels incredibly robust. But the magic of the Legion design is in the utility. You've got that signature extended rear deck. This isn't just for looks, it pushes the heat away from your hands, which we will talk about later, and it houses the majority of your heavy-duty cables. Connectivity-wise, you are fully covered. You've got your HDMI port for hooking up to 4K TVs or monitors, multiple USB ports for your peripherals, and yes, it supports Wi-Fi 6. This is crucial. If you're gaming wirelessly, Wi-Fi 6 significantly reduces latency and improves stability, assuming you have a compatible router. And for those who love customization, the RGB backlit keyboard is here. It's tactile, responsive, and you can tweak the lighting to match your setup or turn it off completely for a stealth look. Now, you can have the fastest computer in the world, but if the screen is trash, the experience is trash. Luckily, Lenovo packed this with a 16-inch WQXGA display. For those not up on the acronyms, that's a wide quad extended graphics array, essentially a resolution of 2560 by 1600. It is the sweet spot. It's much sharper than 1080p, but it doesn't drain your battery as fast as 4K. But the headline feature here is the 240 Hz refresh rate. If you're coming from a 60 Hz or even a 144 Hz screen, 240 is going to feel like butter. In competitive shooters like Call of Duty or Apex Legends, that fluidity gives you a genuine competitive advantage. Target tracking becomes easier and the game feels more responsive. Combined with the 16:10 aspect ratio, you actually get a bit more vertical screen real estate, which is a subtle bonus for productivity tasks like video editing timelines or coding. Okay, let's get to the main event, the engine room. At the heart of this machine is the Intel Core i9-14900HX. The HX series is Intel's way of saying, we took a desktop chip and shoved it into a laptop. This processor is a multitasking demon. Whether you're streaming to Twitch while gaming or compiling massive code bases, this CPU won't even blink. But the star of the show for gamers is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090. This is currently the king of the hill for laptop graphics. With the 4090, you get access to the full suite of NVIDIA's latest tech. We're talking DLSS 3.5 with frame generation and full ray tracing capabilities. You can crank settings to ultra on virtually any modern title: Black Myth Wukong, Alan Wake 2, Cyberpunk, and get incredible frame rates. Many laptops claim to be gaming laptops, but struggle with thermal throttling. With this combination of the i9 and the 4090, you're getting raw, unadulterated power that rivals high-end desktop towers. Now, usually this is the part of the review where I say, the RAM is okay, but you might want to upgrade. Not today. This configuration comes with 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. To put that in perspective, most games recommend 16 gigabytes. Some heavy ones recommend 32 gigabytes. 64 gigabytes is absolute overkill for gaming alone, and that is a good thing. It means this laptop is future-proofed for the next 5 to 6 years easily. It also makes this a dream machine for video editors using Premiere Pro or After Effects. In storage, they didn't skimp there either. You get a massive 4TB SSD. Games these days are huge. Call of Duty alone can take up 200 gigabytes. With 4 terabytes, you can have your entire Steam library, all your creative assets, and your operating system installed without ever worrying about deleting things to make space. It's fast and it's spacious. Rounding out the specs, this unit ships with Windows 11 Pro. The Pro version gives you BitLocker encryption and better remote desktop features, which is great if you're using this for work and play. And yes, there is a built-in webcam. It's perfectly functional for Zoom calls or Discord chats with your squad. Is it 4K cinema quality? No, laptop webcams aren't, but it gets the job done and keeps the bezel thin. So, the verdict: the Lenovo Legion Pro with the i9-14900HX and RTX 4090 is not a cheap machine. It's a premium investment. But if you're looking for a singular device that can replace your desktop, handle the heaviest 4K video editing workflows, and crush any game you throw at it for years to come, this is the one to beat. I've dropped the link to this exact configuration on Amazon in the description box below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.